Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to autosave chats on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you are done, simply open your Snapchat app and then go to your chat section right here. And once you're here, what you're going to do is to look for the chat that you want to have an autosave feature. So, since Snapchat still doesn't have an option which literally says autosave, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So, let's proceed. Just go for that chat. For example, this one. I'll choose this one. Just press and hold on that chat. So make sure to press and hold on this side right here or not in the profile or the emoji side. So press and hold and then go to chat settings. And once you click chat settings, you may be able to see clear from chat head, pin conversation, delete chats, message notifications, and game and mini notifications. So to have that somewhat autosave feature, you just simply click on delete chats and make sure to click on 24 hours after viewing. So what this basically do is that whenever you chat, so for example, I'll type in hi and then the default one, if you ever go back right here, it will automatically delete that chat. However, if you set that option, the delete chats for 24 hours after viewing, you may be able to see that chat for at least 24 hours unless you delete it otherwise. So again, so let's just, for example, I'll chat here, hi. And then once you go back, that chat will be removed. So that's it. That's how you can autosave chats on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.